Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and protecting your data. Check the device manual or settings to see supported card types and maximum capacity, because mismatched cards won't work. Once you have a backup of critical files, power off the device completely to prevent corruption when removing the card. Make sure you remove any case or clip that blocks the slot. This gives you clear access and avoids forcing the card, which could bend contacts or damage the slot mechanism. You now remove the old card with steady hands. Open the slot cover or eject the tray using the designated tool. Forcing the cover can break hinges. If the slot uses spring eject, press the card until it clicks and releases, then slide it out along the rails to avoid scraping contacts. Once out, inspect the gold contacts. If you see dust or fingerprints, use short bursts of compressed air or a soft lint-free cloth to clean them. This prevents read/write errors when you insert the new card. You finish by inserting the new card correctly and verifying it works. Align the card with the slot diagram. Label side and contacts must match orientation. Then push gently until you feel a click, ensuring it's seated and not loose. Close the cover and power on the device. Make sure the system recognizes capacity and prompts for formatting if needed. If prompted, format using the device's recommended file system. Then run a short read/write test by copying a file to confirm stability. Troubleshooting tip: if the card isn't detected, reseat it and test in another device or adapter to isolate slot versus card failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.